Morning, sir. We are the group one with our capstone project. So let's go to the introduction. Brewing Daniel and Cafe, founded by Jesselyn Valeri, along with her brother and sister-in-law, opened in January 2019, located, located at the Alabang Sapode Road, Angel, California. The cafe caters to its target market with a variety of beverage and unlimited drinks, offering affordable yet quality food and service. The name Brewings combines brew and wing, symbolizing the continuous innovation and adaptation. The company profile, company trust, growing standard and cafe mission is to serve delicious, fairly priced food and drinks in a welcoming, family-friendly environment. Mission and vision and company goal, Brewis Cafe and Diner Vision and company goal is to be the best and number one diner in town of NCR. Core values, Brewis and Diner Cafe core value emphasize customer centricity, mutual respect, and a organization chart, owner, next to the general manager, next to the assistant manager, position manager, server host, and other manager is bartender and barback, and the kitchen manager manages the cook, prep, and dishwasher. Job description, the owner is required leadership, project management, technical and financial skills. Manager, leadership, multi-dimensional management skills, strategic and analytical ability. Kitchen manager is crucial in the food industry, overseeing the kitchen staff, ensuring food safety, managing inventory, and maintaining the high food quality. The next one is server, are tasked with accepting orders, delivering food and drinks, and offering excellent customer service. Host welcoming the guests, managing reservation and wait list, bartending specializing in crafts and coffee crafts, and serve this beverage with the customer. Then next one is dishwasher. Include cleaning dishes, utensil and kitchen equipment. Bookkeeper manage financial record, reconcile account process, invoice, and payment. Then let's go to the chapter 3, the standard operating procedure. The task number 1 is welcoming the customer attentive to their needs. Start with the arrival of the customer, meet the customer, provide the customer with the menu, take the customer order, send order to kitchen, monitor order status, serve the customer order. Then the triangle means the option. So as the offer the customer a dessert. If yes, take the customer prepare dessert. Serve the dessert, check the customer satisfaction, prepare the bill, process payment, thanks the customer in the table. If the customer rejected, check the customer satisfaction, prepare the bill, process payment, thanks the customer and the table. The task number 2 is managing the establishment. Start point, receive the task, assess task, assign resources, delegate responsibilities, set deadlines, monitor progress, provide support, resolve issue, review and feedback, report the higher management, document and archive. The last SOP is prepare the customer order. Let's go to the start, receive the order, prepare the ingredients and start this and last, start cooking the customer order, begin plating, then ring the bell to tell the waiting the food is ready.
Abelada speaking. As one, opening procedure. Standard operating procedure. Number 1, facility check. Time to accomplish 30 minutes. Ratings 3. Equipment check. Time to consuming 1 hour. Ratings 3. Staff briefing 15 minutes. Ratings 3. Inventory check 1 hour and 1.5 hour. Ratings 3. Security measure, time to accomplish 1 hour, ratings 2. Number 2, task service procedure, standard opening procedure. Number 1, greeting customer, 2 minutes, ratings 4. Order taking, 5 minutes, ratings 2. Food preparation, 45 minutes, 2 ratings. Timely service, 20 minutes, ratings 3. Handling complaints, 12 minutes, ratings 3. Next. Task 3, customer service. Problem resolution, time to accomplish 15 minutes, ratings 3. Customer feedback, 10 minutes, ratings 4. 3, follow up, 20 minutes, ratings 3. Task 4, payment and billing. Number 1, payment handling, 5 minutes, ratings 4. Billing accuracy, 3 minutes, ratings 3. Cash handling, 3 minutes, ratings 3. Visit insurance, 1.5 minutes, ratings 3. Task 5, closing procedure, inventory check, 2.5 hours, ratings 3. Clean up, 1 hour, rating 2. Cash reconciliation, 45 minutes, ratings 3. Equipment shutdown, 30 minutes, ratings 3. Security measure, time to accomplish, 1 hour, ratings 2.
Aguilar speaking. Problem number one. According to the customer, it was very time consuming to wait for their orders and food refill, as well as the personnel who assisted them did not always meet their expectation through. Problem number two and three. According to the customer, the meal they received was not fresh and new. And according to the customer also, it has been stated that the leather of the sofa is already damaged and makes it uncomfortable to sit. Service delivery system failure. Researchers 3. As researchers, we observe issue with flies and insects inside the establishment and insufficient dining space, which they are actively addressing, and concerning food safety hazard involving undercooked chicken and blood inside, highlighting areas for improvement in the restaurant.
Alan Jerome Christian speaking. We're going to tackle about the fishbone or the cause and effect diagram now. The fishbone diagram number one would be the customer is the slow service, and here are the major factors to consider, including no proper communication, lack of supervision, short staff, lack of training, outdated tools, defective machines, small place, full house. Another problem is food served not fresh. It could be handling, refrigeration equipment, lack of knowledge in handling food, improper hygiene, not quality products, can source supplier from of fresh produce, seasonal, weather changes, and functional. Uh, Next slide, please. The next fishbone diagram is from the employee. For 4 food toll free meal policy could be unclear guidelines, confusion about certain criteria, no proper training, lack of knowledge, lack of information posted, miscommunication, misunderstood the policy, and entitlement. Next would be lack of good delivery system. It could be poor order fulfillment, not standard delivery procedure, inexperienced crew, short staff, outdated system, not partnering with delivery platform, poor communication, lack of contingency plans. Next slide, please. A fishbone diagram from the management. Consistency in food quality. It could be quality of ingredients, lack of supply, lack of training, no experience in quality service, seasonal ingredients, poor quality suppliers issue, failing to conduct quality check, not addressing feedback. Next would be competing with competitors' quality of food, could be inconsistent with cooking method, not following recipes, lack of training, lack of knowledge about other competitors, no regular checking of food preparation, failing to create improvement, failing to address feedback, no effort to improve. Slide, please. The next would be from researcher. Flies and insect inside the store could be trash bin near the area, not verifying the order, failing to recognize and make a report, not having a proper training in pest control, failing to maintain cleanliness, damaged screen door, no implementation, not monitored. The next problem would be limited space. It could be the layout or too many decors, space not utilized, maximize seats for capacity, use space, saving furniture and fixtures. Too crowded, waiting in line, limited flow slows down the operation.
Appendix A, customer's perspective of the establishment service delivery system failures. Pag di nila nagustuhan yung review mo sa kanila, they will block you from their page. Dami ng complaints sa staff nyo and you're just reviewing CCTV. Try nyo kaya palitan yung staffs nyo, laging mga nakabusangot. They are there to serve customers, not to spread their negatives in life. Sayang tong dinner na to, okay naman dati pero anong mangyayari? Appendix D, establishments menu card. These are the establishment's menu card. Appendix E, documentary photos. Recommendation 1. To address freshness and quality issues, the restaurant could streamline service processes for efficient order delivery and timely refills, while also training staff in customer service and attentiveness to consistently meet customer expectations. 2. Implementing stricter standards for ingredient sourcing, rotation, and storage, along with regular inspections and staff training on food handling and hygiene is crucial for maintaining freshness and quality in restaurant food. 3. To address the issue of damaged leather on the sofa, the restaurant should promptly repair or replace the affected furniture and implement regular maintenance and inspection schedules to
Here are the recommendations from employees' perspective. One would be in managing customers' complaint related to their policy on free unlimited chicken wings. It's crucial for the restaurant to engage with customers politely, explain their policy clearly, and proactively address any concerns to prevent arguments or dissatisfaction. Second would be to improve the diner's delivery system. They need to have their own delivery system, or in another way, they can have a partnership and food delivery system application like Grab or Foodpanda. With this recommendation, they can have a lot of customers and they will be having fast transactions with customers. Lastly, to ensure that all utensils are included in food deliveries, the diner can create packing checklists and train staff to follow it. Offer customers the choice to request utensils when ordering to reduce waste and meet individual needs, and set up a system for customers to report missing items quickly to improve their satisfaction. Next slide, please.
Recommendation in manager's perspective. First, it is revealed that the management are having a hard time maintaining the quality of their food. With this information, it is important to conduct and select a reliable source and suppliers that will help them to provide high quality ingredients. Second, it is recommended that the establishment would focus on enhancing their culinary technique. In this instance, investing in training will provide the management to keep up with the newest cooking techniques and procedure. And lastly, in relation with the first recommendation, it is important to source out reliable suppliers that would beneficially help the quality of food and service that the establishment will offer.
Recommendation, researcher observation of establishment service delivery system failures. 1. The main issue of the first failure contributed to the time constraints during cooking, preparation, and service can be addressed by informing customer about expected wait times, particularly during cooking, and by providing additional training to staff to enhance efficiency during preparation and service. Second, connected with the first problem, the meats are being served not fresh and new would be because it takes a long time to prepare and serve the food since it was cooked. Proper training and assessment or judgment of priority for each order could be an action plan. Lastly, to address the problem with deteriorated or damaged furniture, the establishment could consider aesthetically patching it up, allocating a budget for replacement or removing the sofas entirely, and renovating the layout and furniture placement to improve guest satisfaction.